Stop Malwarebytes Popups for good. So here, the great misunderstanding, legitimate versus malicious. So users often confuse real-time malware service notice with malicious adware disguised as security warnings. The premium upspell persistent upgrade prompts are the cause of the free version designed to nudge you toward paid plans. Browser notification. Most alerts don't come from Malwarebytes at all. They stem from website you accidentally granted notification access to. So the step one, browser culprit. Open browser settings. Go to settings, privacy and security, and then site settings. Audit notification. Review notification list and remove any unrecognized or suspicious domains. Instant relief. Revoking access kills fake warnings immediately. No app changes needed. So, mastering Malwarebytes settings. Tame and alerts. Malware has built-in controls most users never explore. A few tags can dramatically reduce interruptions. Notification menu. Open settings. Notification. Suppress promotional or non-critical alerts categories. Disable auto launch. Right-click the system tray icon and uncheck start with Windows. To stop it launching on boot. Alert categories. Toggle off sick alert types. Keep threat alert. Silence marketing once. So step 3, permanent control. So on-demand scanning, set the malware service to manual in service dot MSC, scan only when you choose to. So block at source, install uBlock origin to intercept malwaring, malware malvertising chains before they trigger pop-ups. True peace of mind layer control browser, app, and ad blocker give you complete lasting silence. Pro tip: revisit your browser notification permission quarterly. Sites request access after update. So there you go guys. Hope you guys video. Should you guys for question, sabi daw ko siya guys. Ito as soon as possible, and thank you guys.